10 strange clouds caught on camera. Number 1. Egg-shaped cloud. Scott C. Waring, an alien researcher from Iceland, shared the image of an egg-shaped cloud on social media a few days ago and claimed that alien UFOs are hiding in the shape of the clouds and tracking us and scanning our societies. This image became viral on social media. Scott also wrote that the aliens might be kidnapping humans by hiding their UFO in these clouds, but the scientist rejected his claim outright. They said that these are lenticular clouds, which are normally formed on the Earth's mountains or high building sites. Number 2. Human face cloud. In 2016, a cloud was recorded that looked like a huge human face, which looked not only strange but scary too. When sunlight fell on it, the face became even more bright, making it look even more scary. It also had a nose, mouth, eyes, and ears. Many people considered it holy. Some guessed it as the soul of a dead person, while others said that some holy creature is passing through the sky. However, according to scientists, this was a mere coincidence. Number 3. Demon cloud. Clouds are formed not only by turning water into steam, but sometimes by the eruption of a large volcano, emitting smoke and dust, which is even more dangerous. Puyehue Cordon Col is a volcano in the Andes mountain range, southern Chile, that was quiet in the 20th century, but in 2011 there was an explosion whose photos were quite spectacular. It was a burning face resembling a demon. There were many gaps in the middle of this cloud, through which the light of the sun was shining, due to which this cloud looked very frightening. Number 4. Floating city. People saw something very strange in the sky of China. It was a whole city. Some people called it Sky Fort and some called it a floating city. Actually, it was just an optical illusion. It is called Fata Morgana. This happens when the bottom air layer is colder and hence denser than the top air layer. This causes the light to reflect in an unusual manner and fall in our eyes. This causes our brain to assume the city far above its actual position, and it seems as if the city is floating in the sky. Number 5. Kelvin Helmholtz wave cloud. These are clouds in the shape of quite strange waves, named after physicists Lord Kelvin and Hermann von Helmholtz. Their strange shape is formed due to wind speed. When the bottom layer of air is moving slower than the top layer, clouds become visible like waves. It looks very beautiful to see, but they can cause turbulence in airplanes. Number 6. Fall streak holes. These are very strange clouds in appearance, which have clouds around them, but the middle space is empty. It seems as if a big UFO has come up in the sky. Actually, it happens when small drops of water cool down but are not completely frozen. And if there is some movement around here, like if any plane passes through this place, water droplets suddenly freeze and form ice crystals. But in a while, these ice crystals break down, causing a large hole in the middle, which is quite strange in itself. Number 7. Skull-shaped cloud. Sometimes we suddenly see a big human skull in the sky, which looks quite scary. But there is absolutely nothing to fear about this. If there is a little space in the middle of the clouds, then we can see these strange shapes sometimes. Number 8. Feather cloud. The normal feathers are also white, and when there is a slight movement in the air, the shape of some cirrus clouds become like feathers. When ice crystals are formed in unusual hexagonal shape, then due to their air blowing slowly, they form the shape of the feather. Normally, they are made only at an altitude of 10,000 feet or above. Looking at their picture, you may think it is a close-up picture of a feather falling from the sky, but it is actually a cloud. Number 9. Elephant cloud. In Scotland, a woman named Margaret Wardnell took her dog on a walk, and while walking along the river, she was clicking pictures of different beautiful things, like butterflies and flowers. Suddenly, a strange cloud appeared in the sky. It was a brilliant cloud whose shape resembled that of an elephant. Margaret immediately took its picture. According to experts, such clouds form at an altitude of about 6,500 feet. Number 10. UFO. Clouds of lenticular type are quite strange to see. In 2015, the outbreak of such strange clouds in Cape Town, South Africa became viral on social media. People were thinking it to be UFOs, but the scientists said that such clouds are formed when hot and humid wind passes over mountains or valleys. As the wind is moving, clouds are also formed in the shape of a circle, and it looks quite strange to see. Because of Table Mountain in Cape Town City, its geography is very unique, and therefore it is quite common to see such clouds there. This was all about today's video. Please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching.